How many tons of plastic is thrown in ocean every year? Any guesses? It's around 8 billion kilograms. That makes it around 21 million kilograms per day. And how does that affect us? Freaking 100k marine mammals die every year. And if this trend continues, by 2050 we'll have more plastic in the ocean than actual fish. So, what's the thing that we can do to avoid this? The first one being accountability. That's where escape colon, that's my solution comes in. First, we're gonna we're gonna track the plastic, try to reduce it, and try to reimagine the plastic use. So log your plastics usage consumption, do an analysis of it, and let's reduce that. It's quite simple if you think about it. So let's dive into it. Imagine I am a user at escape colon. I come on here. I have a weekly plastic wastage being tracked over here. I have some trends. I have an eco AI assistant. I'll come to that later. And I have given a sustainability score. So now what I can do is I have some threshold. Right now it's about 100 pounds. I will track that. I cannot change my threshold value. Imagine I have a big house, I have shifted recently, so obviously there will be more wastage. Let me increase that to 120. When I save it, the 110 is low beyond the threshold, so it's fine. I can, by the way, track these things inside of a table which I can log on every day. So on a particular day, I can log every plastic use they have done, and it also gives me a total. If I want to add a plastic usage per day, I just click on this button, add the respective entries, and just add them. Let me go back. And also I have a report generated based on the things where I can track how much have I used plastic products over year and how much waste has been generated. This is a weekly analysis report, by the way. Next, I have an eco assistant. It takes in the waste garbage cans image and tries to identify what else could you have done instead of just using that. So let me showcase how it's done. So yeah, I get the thing that we have food, we have packaging, we have clothing and electronics and paper, where these can have some alternate solutions rather than using just plastic. Now I come here and I see that I have sustainability score over here, which is quite less than the plastic score, the consumption of plastic, because I have wasted a lot of things. I have produced a lot of waste, so therefore my sustainability score goes down. Now, we also want to collaborate with municipal corporations because they have an existence of operations team and existing infrastructure. So why not utilize them and take them into the picture? So every municipalities have their household names and the locality, the residents, and now instead of that, means along with that, sorry, my bad, they can also track how much plastic is being generated. In Andhra Pradesh, every month people come from the municipal department and they collect waste. And they can just track the waste for each and every individual and analytics based on that. Means so and so locality or family have reduced this much waste. This is the total single use plastics waste because we are segregating all of the waste. These are the recyclables, the non recyclables, and the bulk plastic. Now, we can also have a municipal average where we can compare the cities with the state average, and the national average. And what is the ideal case scenario for this? I just click on add data. I have every household data's name, but this will be quite redundant because every household now has a QR code which has all of the details already embedded into it. So if we have the data already with us in the form of QR code, then it's quite simple. I'll just open up my camera and just scan this image. Once I scan the image, I get all the details of the people, their email, locality, district, and the form gets autofilled. Now I'll just enter the quantity, maybe 23. I just click on it, I get data submitted. To summarize thing which we have developed, we first enable easy logging of plastic. We give suggestions recognizing patterns of the waste that you are. Eco AI, the AI powered engine to categorize the elements. Analytics, it's fast and effective. We have trends to analyze the use of plastic and the plans to reduce it. We collaborating with the people from the municipality, the government. alerts based on the environmental impact that user is generating, and it's a 100% sustainable solution as we are using a digital solution. We're digitalizing the solution. So we are reimagining the world without plastic. Thank you.